So this is an entered a node at the tail of a linked list on HackerRank. So it's pretty easy. You just loop through the list and entered it at the end. I mean, I guess that's what I just explained. But. So first, if the head equals null, we're gonna return a new singly linked list node with the data. Then it's not null. We'll make a temp variable so it can loop through it. So it can return. We need to always return the head. So um, I believe you do. Let me see. Yeah, don't you return the head each time? So um, so while the temp dot next equals null, or temp dot next is not equal to null. We want to keep going to traversing the list until we get to the end. So when temp.next equals null, that basically means we're at the end of the list. So if you see here, yeah. All right, and then so when it is null, we'll set the temp.next equal to new singly linked list node. Uh, and then we'll return the head. Let me check it real quick. Temp.next. All right. It looks good, so I'll submit it just to see. All right, so that's it for that. For enter a node at the tail of a linked list. All right.